Namaste everyone. Just sit in any comfortable pose. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now prepare yourself for today's class. Bring awareness to your body, to your mind. Keep your spine straight and erect. Bring your both palms together in front of your heart. Now we'll chant one time Om all together. Take a deep inhale. Om. Now exhalation. Go down your head. Gently open your eyes. Remove your palms. Now stand in front of a mat for sun salutation. Okay, inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Ujjayi self salutation here. Do exhale, go fully forward down, Uttanasana. Ready, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Dandasana. Ready, inhale, Urdhmukha. Chatwari, exhale, Adho Breath in and deep breath out. 1, look at your navel point. Try to touch your heel on your mat. Rotate your shoulders out. 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Asto, exhale. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round again, do Ekam, inhale. Do exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Again hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. And exhale, Samasthiti. Third round again, Ekam, inhale. To exhale. Ready, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Asto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale. To exhale, go forward towards your leg, place your palms beside of your feet. Ready, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Again hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. First toe, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round, Ekam, inhale. Doi, exhale. Third, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Sat, exhale, Adhomukha. Hold for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll do sun salutation B. Before that, just do Kati Chakrasana. Twist your spine. Now prepare yourself for sun salutation B. Come, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up. Come for the Utkatasana, chair pose. Do exhale, go forward down. Third, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, raise your right leg up in the air and bring your right leg front between your both palms for warrior A. Hold into warrior A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, Adhomukha. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Again hold. 1, warrior A from the left leg, front leg 90. Back feet slightly 5 degrees in. 4, keep pushing your pelvis down. 3, 2, and 1. Dwadasa, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Triyodasa, inhale. Chaturdasa, exhale. Panchadasa, lift your left leg up high in the air. Bring your left leg front between your both palms for warrior A. Again, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, Adhomukha. Now bend your both knees and jump front into halfway look up, Urdhuttanasana. Exhale, go fully forward down, Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up for Utkatasana. Chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam, inhale. Chair pose. Do exhale. Third, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Again, hold into warrior A. 1, 2, 4, and 5. Exhale, again go back to Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. and exhale Adho Mukha. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Hold into warrior A from your left leg. 5, keep your hips square. 4, do not lift your back feet from the floor. Press your back feet. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, again go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Panjasa, exhale, Adho Mukha. Look at your navel point and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bend your both knees, jump front. Sodasa, exhale, go fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale. Doi, exhale. Tredi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Make warrior B from your right leg. Front leg 90. Back foot slightly in. Look at your right hand. 2, 3. Keep pushing your right knee outside. 4 and 5. Exhale again. Go back to Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha and exhale Adho Mukha, down facing dog. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior B from your left leg. Again, hold into 5 counts from your left leg. 1. Keep looking at your left palm, left hand. 2. Drishti Hastagra. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, go back to Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha and exhale Chaturdasa, exhale Adho Mukha. Look at your navel point, hold there. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round again, Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your arms up. Doi, exhale. Tredi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, break your right leg front for warrior B again. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, go back to Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. Exhale Adho Mukha. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior B. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. Exhale Adho Mukha. Look at your navel point and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Look front, everybody look front. Now just bend your both knees, place your belly on your thighs. Bend your both knees, bend your knees, place your belly on your both thighs. And inhale, lift your both hands front and make T. Make T shape. And hold there. Dagmar, You have to press your hips more down. You have to place your belly. Yes, now place your belly, go more front from your upper part, your hands. Yes, now keep your knees slightly back. 3, hold there everybody. Hands front, main is both hands front. 4, keep your spine straight. Don't lean for front from your hands. You have to stretch your arms beside of your both ears. 5, hold there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, go fully forward down. Relax there for a few counts. Okay, now we'll do the same thing, but with our straight knees, okay? Now inhale, straight your both arms up without bending your knees. Make 90-degree angle from your body and don't bend your knees. Do not let your palms down, hands down. Keep stretch your hands beside of your both ears. 2, and do not make a hump on your back. Stretch your hips back as much as you can. 4, 5, raise your hands more. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale, again go fully forward down. Relax yourself a few counts. Third round, again, third and last round. Now bend your both knees, place your belly on your thighs, and inhale, raise your both arms front. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight your both legs. Again, hold there. Keep legs straight and hold. 1, 2, 3. Stretch your hands. 4. Push your lumbar down, open your chest. 5. Now bend towards the right side in the same position. Just bend from front. Move yourself from your upper body. Move yourself from upper body to the right side. Don't bend. Move yourself from your upper body to the right side. Very nice. Hold. 1, 2. Don't come back. 3. Right side. 4, 5. Again. Come for front for 5 seconds more. 5, 4. Build that strength in your lumbar. 3, 2, 1. Now go left side. Last 5 counts. 5, 4. Left side. 3, 2, and 1. Bring yourself front and exhale. Again, go fully forward down. Inhale, come up for Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, fifth and last round, come inhale. 2, exhale. 3, inhale, look front. 4, exhale, jump back. 5, inhale. Now hold there for 5 counts. Do properly counter pose. Roll your shoulders. Open your chest. Look back. Lift your thighs up. Hold there. 1. This is the counter pose. 2, 3. Roll your shoulders. Don't look down. Look back. 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Go for the downward facing dog. And bring your right leg front for warrior C. Maintain your balance on your right leg. Lift your left leg up and upper body in the same line. Stretch properly. Raise your both arms front. If you cannot find your balance, you can take support of your fingertips on the floor. But look front between your both hands. 1, 2, very good. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. Again, go for the Chaturanga Dandasana. Now I inhale Udmukha. Dasa, exhale Adho Mukha. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior C by maintaining your balance on your left leg. If you cannot make balance on your straight leg, so you can also micro bend your left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press your palms, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Relax here. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale all the way, come up. Utkatasana, hold there. 1. Push your hips more down, knees back, hips down, knees back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, come into Samasthiti. Shake your legs, shake your legs, shake your thighs. 2 Kati Chakrasana. And now yesterday we have completed the all standing positions, postures. Now we will go for sitting postures, okay? Yesterday, who all are there, they know that we have completed till sitting postures or standing postures, sorry.
Yeah. How? Now.
Okay, now come in front of a mat. We will not directly go to the sitting postures. We will first go in a sequence. Okay, come in front of a mat, take 1 feet distance. Inhale, Ekam, inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva Vrikshasana. 2, exhale, go fully forward down, Uttanasana. 3, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. 4, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. 5, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. 6, exhale, Adho Mukha. 7, bend your both knees, jump front for Utkatasana, chair pose. So this is the way to go into the sitting postures. Okay, we cannot directly just sit. So there is a proper way. Come for the Utkatasana chair pose. Hold there. This is tabletop Dagmar chair pose. Utkatasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, press your palms, lift yourself up for Adho Vrikshasana and then jump back into Chaturanga. It means press your palms, lift yourself for handstand and then go back into Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha and exhale Adho Mukha. Now bring your right leg front for Warrior A. Come into Warrior A. Again hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Now straight your knee and go into the forward bend and again hold. In 90 degree, go into the forward bend in 90 degree. Okay. Keep your knee straight. Keep your knee straight. Stretch yourself. Keep your knee front knee straight. 2, hands front. Don't put your hands down. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. Grab your right ankle and go fully forward down. Try to touch your belly on your thighs, chest on your knees, and forehead on your shin bone. Yes. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Turn yourself to the right, left side, left to out, right to in. Again, hold into Warrior A from your right, left knee. 1, 2, Warrior A first. Hardeep ji, Warrior A kariye pehle. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, straight your leg and just come for the 90 degree angle. And again hold into the forward bend. 1, not fully, just make 90 degree. 2, just keep your hips square. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again go fully forward down, grab your left ankle, and again hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up, make warrior B, left side, directly. Bend your left knee at 90, left side only, don't turn, left side only. Again hold. 1, Hardeep ji, warrior B, and don't lift your heel. You have to keep your heel on the mat. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Straight your left knee and just go for the side bend by keeping your knee straight. Don't turn right side, just join your both arms together. Just go for the side bend, left side. Keep your left toe, left side out. 1, 2, very nice. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up, turn yourself to the right side, bend your left knee at 90, make warrior B from your right knee. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Join your both arms together, straight your right knee and go for the side bend. For 5 seconds, move 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha. Shake your legs one by one, bend your knees, try to touch your heel. Now bend your both knees and jump into Dandasana. Bend your both knees, jump into Dandasana. This is Dandasana, and you have to just jump and then cross between your both palms, then you have to sit. Okay, now keep your both palms beside of your both hips. Pull your toes in, lock your chin on your chest and just sit there. 1, inhale and lock your chin on your chest. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, go fully forward down. Grab your feet from up. Okay? Grab your feet from up like this. And just look front, inhale. Straight your both elbows, lengthen your spine. Don't do like this. This is wrong. This will make your spine more bad. You have to just pull your spine up, your tailbone up. Okay? Like this. So your spine can be straight. And then look front, roll your shoulder, and exhale, bend your both elbows. Don't go down like this. If you go down like this, you will just fold onto your knees. Your main motive is to touch your forehead on your sing bone. For that, you have to keep your spine straight and try to go forward with your hip joint, not from your spine. If you go from your spine, it's easy to touch your head, but you will touch your head on the wrong place. Your main motive is to not touch your head on your knees. Okay, try to go more further as much as you can and try to touch your head on your shin bone. Okay. Exhale, bend your both elbows towards the floor. Try to touch your elbows on the floor and hold. 1, very nice. 2, look front, don't look down. It's okay if you will not go down deep, but if you have to just keep your spine straight. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight your both elbows. Exhale, press your both palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up. And exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha. See, if it is hard to lift, you can use the blocks. I'll show you how to use the blocks. If it's hard to you to just lift, in starting you can use the block for jumping because it will help. It will give you height, so you can cross your leg and take your legs inside. Okay. So if you cannot do without blocks, just try lifting yourself with blocks. Inhale, lift yourself up, and then exhale, jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Okay, again bend your both knees and jump front. Just try, everybody. If it will not happen, it's okay. Now bend your both knees, again jump for Paschimottanasana B. The first one we have done is A, now we will do B. Okay, again find yourself in Paschimottanasana position. Inhale, again raise your both arms up, exhale, grab your both feet from out. Now you have to grab your both feet from out. First we have done Paschimottanasana A from up. Now we'll grab our feet from out. Inhale again, straight your spine, and exhale, bend your both elbows towards the floor. Keep your spine lengthened. Keep pressing and touch your elbows on your floor or on your mat. Again, hold 1, right, nice everybody. 2, 3, Ray, just push yourself, open your chest more. So you will reduce the hump. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight your both elbows. Don't lose your grip from your toes now, from your feet now. Just straight. Exhale. With exhalation, press your palms on the floor or on your blocks. Inhale, again, lift yourself up. Cross your legs and exhale, jump back. Try. Row, very nice. Very nice. Come back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Udmukha. Very nice, Kate. And exhale, Adho Very good. Now we will go for Paschimottanasana C. Again, press your both palms on your floor or on your block. Just try to use block in starting because it will help you. Now bend your both knees and again jump into Dandasana for Paschimottanasana C. Just jump into Paschimottanasana. Now inhale, raise your both arms up and exhale, go forward. Grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, again straight, lengthen your spine, pull your chest up and your lumbar inside. And exhale, bend your both elbows and hold. 1. Just try to push yourself more further from before. 2. Do not flex your toes. Just keep your ankles inside and your toes also inside, facing. Do not push it outward, inward. And again, hold. 1, 2, stay there. Wherever you feel that your spine is straight, just stay there. 3, 4, Manus, you are like this. You are not pushing. Push, open your chest. Grab your toes. It will help to push your spine straight. Grab your toes. Open your chest. And 5. Exhale, inhale, straight your both elbows. Exhale, place your both palms on your blocks. Inhale, lift yourself up. And again, cross your legs and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Don't keep your palms just beside of your hips. Just keep your palms a little bit in between your hips and your knees. If you will press here, even I cannot lift from here. You see, even it's hard for me. But if I press here, then I can lift myself. Okay, exhale again, go back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Udmukha. And exhale, Adho Mukha. Now bend your both knees and again jump front for Paschimottanasana D. Inhale, raise your both arms up, grab your right wrist from your left thumb and your finger like this. You have to grab your wrist. And exhale, go fully forward down. If you cannot, just put your hands back of your lower feet, it's okay. You can just grab your toes if you cannot. And exhale, go fully forward down. Put your wrist. Inhale again, straight your both elbows. And exhale, bend your both elbows down and hold. 1, 2, pull your toes in. हरदीप जी toes बाहर जा रहे हैं, उनको अंदर की तरफ करिए. 3, हाँ. 4 and 5. Inhale, straight your elbows. Exhale, remove your wrist and lift yourself. Press your palms and lift yourself up. And exhale, go back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. And exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Now again, bend your both knees and jump for Purvottanasana. The counter pose of forward bend is Purvottanasana. Bend your knees, jump front again. For just bend, jump into Dandasana. I will show you how to do Purvottanasana. So after jumping, you will come in this position. You have to keep your toes flexed like this and try to touch your feet on the mat while lifting your hips up. Keep your both palms beside of your hips and back and slightly lift your hips up and look back. Keep pushing your pelvis up as much as you can. If it is hard for you, you can just change this. You can bend your both knees and lift your hips up. Like this also you can do. It's a bridge pose. Okay. So everybody come in bridge pose or Purvottanasana, whichever you feel comfort. 1, look back, head back. Your head should be back, not facing front. 2, it's okay, make bridge pose. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, put your hips down on the mat. Inhale, lift yourself up. Press your palms on the block or your like mat. Inhale, lift yourself up. Everybody try and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Now relax yourself for a few counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Now we'll do Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana. Bend your left knee. Bend from whose mic the sound is coming up. Now bend your right knee over your left thigh. Bend your right knee over your left thigh. Keep pushing your right knee on the mat. Just try to touch your right knee on the mat. In half lotus pose, you have to bend your right knee, okay? Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana. Inhale, raise your both arms up. And exhale, grab your right big toe or your right feet with your right hand. Slightly bend forward and grab. If you cannot grab, you can use belt or something for this. Inhale, lift your left arm up and exhale, pull your left toe in and try to go forward and try to touch your forehead on your sing bone. Again, hold 1. Do not lift your knees up. Try to keep pushing your knees down. Flex your toe properly. 3, very nice. Very good. 4 and 5. Inhale, straight your spine. Exhale, release your leg. Release your hand. Inhale, come up and then exhale, release. Again, press your palms, lift yourself up and jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Now again, bend your both knees. Again, jump for Ardha Padmottanasana from your left leg. Now we will do the same thing with our left leg. Bend your left knee over your left feet over your right thigh. Okay, now one more thing. Some guys are keeping their leg like this. Okay, the feet is inside and the knees is lifting up. It's wrong. You have to flex your toe, extend your ankle like this, pointing. Okay, the toes, you have to keep your toes pointing and do not keep your leg outward this. Just keep your left feet or right feet at the starting of your femur bone. Okay, and closer to your lower stomach. Inhale, raise your left arm up and grab your left feet with your left hand. Inhale, right arm up and exhale, go fully forward down towards your right leg. Again, hold for 5 counts. 1, pull your toes in, everybody toes in. 2, flex your ankle as much as you can. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, remove your hands, remove your legs. Inhale, lift yourself up and jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Use blocks. Now again, bend your both knees and jump into Triyamukha Paschimottanasana. For Triyamukha Paschimottanasana, you have to bend your left leg into half Vajrasana, but you have to not sit on your left knee or your left feet. Okay. Now pull your calves, grab your calves and pull your calves out. Calf muscles, you have to pull it out. And now just transfer your weight from your right hip towards the left hip. You have to maintain the balance in between. Okay. I know your body is shifting towards the right side. Maintain your balance in between. Inhale, raise your both arms up. And exhale, go fully forward down towards your right leg. Again, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, release your palm on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up from the same position and exhale again, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees, again jump for Triyamukha Paschimottanasana from your left leg. Now bend your right leg, pull your calf muscles out, pull your calf muscles out properly. Sit on, now transfer weight from your left hip to right hip. Inhale, raise your both arms up and exhale from your hip joint, go forward and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, press your palms on your block or on your mat. Inhale, lift yourself up and exhale again, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha and exhale, Adhomukha, downward facing dog. Again, relax there for a few counts. 1, look at any point. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we will try of jumping practice. Okay, little bit. We will try how to jump. So I will tell you some drills that you have to, how you can jump properly. Okay. So just bend your both knees, cross your leg, and then come back again for the downward facing dog. Again, bend your knees, cross your leg, and then again come for the downward facing dog. Just try, transfer your weight on your hands. Just step very Not quickly, try to land very slow. Okay, bend your knees, jump and come back. One round, back. You have to come back directly to the downward facing dog. Again, bend your both knees, jump, and again come back for the downward facing dog. Second round. Third round, again, jump and come back. Fourth round, again, jump, cross your leg and jump back. Very nice. Fifth round, again, bend your knees and jump back. Sixth round, again, bend your both knees, jump and come back. Very nice. Slow. Just try to land very slow. The sound should not come. Eighth round, again, bend your both knees, jump and come back. Ninth round, again, bend your knees, inhale, jump and exhale, downward facing dog. Tenth round, again, bend your both knees, jump and come back. Just relax yourself again into downward facing dog. And now you have to see the second drill for jumping. Okay, look here, relax yourself for now and look here, everybody. Again, from downward facing dog, you have to jump, cross your leg and just land slowly. And then again, jump back. Again, then jump, cross your leg and land slowly. Try to cross leg and land. If you will keep your toes stuck, you can hurt your toes. That's why keep your toes legs and then land like this. And then again, lift yourself and jump back. Okay, now try this drill. If you are like feeling that you can injure yourself, so don't cross your leg or push some cushion or something between your both palms where you feel like you will land there. Okay, now bend your knees and again jump high so you can land it. Yeah, nice. Again, lift yourself, transfer weight on your shoulders. If you will lean, then you will get the strength. Jump back. Third round again. Bend your both knees, jump front, and jump back. Try it. Fifth round again. Bend your both knees, cross your leg, and sit slowly. Don't hurt yourself. Very gently you have to land. Seventh round again. Bend your both knees, jump, and land slowly and jump back. Ninth round again. Bend your knees, cross your leg, and land slowly. It's okay. Nobody will get it in first time because you have to build muscle memory and even strength as well. So when we keep trying, we will get it. Ninth round again, bend your knees, cross your legs. Again, jump back. Last 10th and last round, bend your knees, lift yourself higher, cross your leg and land very slowly. Try to control your body and exhale again, jump back and come for the downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees, relax yourself into child pose. Just try to do deep inhale and deep exhale with chai breathing. So your heartbeat comes to normal. Your body can be relaxed. Do not take short breaths. Take deep and long breath as much as you can and slow. Okay, then now just sit in Vajrasana. Keep your spine straight. Keep your right palm down. Keep your left palm on your right palm, like this. and just sit straight. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Focus on your Agya Chakra. Agya Chakra is situated in middle of your both eyebrows. Take your all focus there. Try to see whatever we have done today in our class. Remember the postures, the asanas we have done today. Try to see the position, that how you are doing the asanas. How much improvement you have to done in yourself, in the postures. Now we will close our class by chanting one time of Om followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Feel the vibration of mantra. It's a universal mantra what we have chant right now. The vibration created by the mantra feel in your body. And join your both palms together in front of the sternum bone, in front of your heart. Rub your both palms. Apply on your eyes, apply on your face, apply on your whole body. And slowly bow down your head towards God. And thanks God for giving us strength for today's class. Slowly come back and gently open your eyes while blinking and with a smile. Namaste to everyone. Okay, if you want to ask any question, you can ask. Anybody have any questions related to today's class? You can ask right now.
It's very difficult to follow for me because you are so quick. I can't do my poses properly. And
Okay, so
difficult.
it's okay. From tomorrow, I will try to just slow it down. Because see, we have 1 hour and we have to learn so many things in 1 hour. So that's why, but I will try to be slow from tomorrow, okay?
Okay, thanks.
One question that I want to record the class. Can you give me permission for the recording?
Recording. Okay, you can record the class.
Because so that I can, learn after class time. So.
But try to do not put the class somewhere in social
No,
media. Okay?
no, definitely I'll not do that.
Okay.
For sure.
Okay, then record.
Okay. Yeah, even if I get permission for just one class, that would be, more than.
Yeah, it's okay. You can record your class.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
G.
Yes, Kate, you can ask.
Yeah, how can we establish our strength? Like, when from chaturanga, I mean, from downward facing dog and to the sitting position, it's hard for me even with blocks.
Yeah, I will, like I have showed you 2-3 drills right now. And while doing Ashtanga series, I am continuously saying to press your palms and then lift yourself up. If you try this regular, you will get this strength.
Okay. So
one day you will feel like my body is becoming lighter and you are gaining that strength.
Yeah,
to jump.
I feel like I cannot carry my body, although I can do handstand, headstand, but it's hard for me to do
totally different. Headstand is a different thing and this is totally different. So it's okay. In starting, you will feel like heavier in your arms, But after practicing regularly, you will feel like that your body has become light now, and you will gain strength by practicing. And I will continuously tell you some new drills to do and to like bring this strength in your body. So
Okay.
this is
Okay. Thank you.
okay. Namaste, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Namaste. Thank you.
Excuse me,
Thank you.
sorry, I have one more question. Actually,
Okay.
I got a jerk in my neck while doing exercise, while doing yoga. So
On
is
your
there
knees,
any, no, on my neck.
neck, okay, neck.
Yeah,
So
so
like,
can you provide any exercise or something
so
like that I
where
can?
I have to know where like where you get the jerk.
Yeah, it's the side, left side.
Left side
Yeah,
here, or
yeah,
like here.
yeah.
You see, if don't push your neck much back while doing asana for now
Okay,
in
okay.
starting. Okay, try to just keep your head little. Don't turn your head like this much, and just massage
Okay.
it with like some relief spray, pain relief spray. It will be good.
Any warm up exercise or neck rotation exercise
So
would help.
if you are feeling pain, don't do neck rotation for now.
Okay, okay,
It
okay,
will damage it more. So just relax
okay.
and rest. Do not do something in which neck movement is required more. The
Okay.
simple one you can do it, but don't pull your neck much up or much down for
Yeah,
2 days.
that's why
And
it
keep,
happened.
yeah, keep relief spray or relief any
Yeah,
tube or
yeah,
something and massage it. It will be okay
okay.
in 1 week, I guess.
Yeah. Thank you
Yep.
so much.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Welcome. Goodbye. Take care, everybody.
Namaste.
Namaste to all.